Everyone, welcome back to Gypsy Trip and Redneck Creek Tango. Hey, what? Cut some fish down, bucket. Nice little crack. Let's put this way. The taste it in here. Just a bunch of loops. I forgot about all these loops. I remember these loops. They're big and heavy and definitely not trail off of this road. If you know this road, then you can see that spot where I turned around. I feel like going over there because I thought it would be out. Usually it's a lot. It would last it for like 2 or 3 days for videos. And I'm going to end that video off there. Hope you enjoy, guys. Make sure you stay tuned.